Ever woken up to find your phone has a bunch of new features you didn't even know were coming? It's like a surprise gift from the tech gods, right? Well, imagine that, but for your car. That's the magic of Tesla's over-the-air, or OTA, software updates. But how exactly does this wizardry work? That's what we're diving into today. Before Tesla, the idea of a car getting significantly better over time through software updates was practically science fiction. Traditionally, if your car needed a software fix or a feature upgrade, you had to physically take it to a service center. This was inconvenient, time-consuming, and frankly, a bit of a hassle. Tesla changed the game by bringing the smartphone model of software updates to the automotive world. Think about your phone again. When an update rolls out, it's usually downloaded in the background while you're using it. Once it's downloaded, you are prompted to install it, which usually involves a quick restart. Tesla's system is conceptually similar, but on a much larger and more complex scale. Let's break down the key components of Tesla's OTA update system. First, you have Tesla's central servers. These servers are the source of all updates. They house the latest software versions for all Tesla models. When Tesla engineers develop new features, improvements, or bug fixes, they're compiled and uploaded to these servers. Next, we have the car's onboard computer, often referred to as the central computing module. This is the brain of the Tesla, responsible for controlling everything from the infotainment system and navigation to the powertrain and safety features. This computer is constantly communicating with Tesla's servers, checking for available updates. When an update is available, the car downloads it via its cellular connection or Wi-Fi if connected. This usually happens in the background while you're driving or parked. The download process is designed to be efficient, minimizing data usage and impact on the car's performance. Now, here's where things get interesting. Unlike a simple phone restart, installing a car update is a much more intricate process. It involves updating various systems within the vehicle, and any interruption during this process could potentially cause serious problems. Therefore, Tesla has implemented several safeguards. First, the update is not automatically installed. Instead, the driver is notified that an update is available and can schedule the installation for a convenient time. This allows the driver to choose a time when the car is parked and not in use, ensuring a safe and uninterrupted installation. Second, the installation process itself is carefully managed. The car systems are systematically updated, with each component being checked and verified before the next one is updated. This ensures the integrity of the update and prevents any conflicts or errors. Third, Tesla has a robust rollback system in place. If, for any reason, an update fails or causes unexpected issues, the car can revert to the previous software version. This provides a safety net and ensures that the car remains functional even in the event of an update problem. So, what kind of things are included in these updates? Well, the possibilities are vast. They can range from minor bug fixes and performance tweaks to major feature additions and even improvements to the car's driving dynamics. For example, Tesla has used OTA updates to improve the efficiency of its motors, increase the range of its batteries, enhance the functionality of its autopilot system, and even add completely new features like games, streaming services, and voice commands. One of the most impressive examples of Tesla's OTA update capabilities was the introduction of Smart Summon. This feature allows the car to autonomously navigate itself out of a parking spot and come to the driver's location. This was a completely new functionality that was delivered entirely through a software update. Another example is the improvement of braking performance through software updates. Tesla has been able to refine the algorithms that control the car's braking system, resulting in shorter stopping distances and improved safety. These updates aren't just about adding bells and whistles. They also play a crucial role in improving the safety and reliability of the car. Tesla regularly releases updates to address potential security vulnerabilities and improve the performance of its safety systems. The ability to constantly improve the car through software updates has several significant advantages. First, it allows Tesla to rapidly address any issues or bugs that are discovered after the car has been released. This means that problems can be fixed quickly and efficiently without requiring owners to bring their cars in for service. Second, it allows Tesla to continuously improve the performance and functionality of its cars over time. This means that a Tesla purchase today can become significantly better in the future through software updates. This is a stark contrast to traditional cars, which typically remain largely unchanged after they leave the factory. Third, it allows Tesla to deliver new features and functionalities to its customers without requiring them to purchase a new car. This keeps the car feeling fresh and exciting, and it also extends the lifespan of the vehicle. Now, let's address some common questions about Tesla's OTA updates. One question is about data usage. While the updates do require data to download, Tesla has optimized the process to minimize data consumption. The updates are typically downloaded in the background over Wi-Fi when available, and over cellular when Wi-Fi is not available. Another question is about the time it takes to install an update. The installation time varies depending on the size and complexity of the update, but it typically takes between 20 and 45 minutes. During this time, the car is not drivable. Finally, some people wonder about the security of these updates. Tesla takes security very seriously and has implemented several measures to protect its update system from unauthorized access. The updates are digitally signed and encrypted, ensuring that only authorized software can be installed on the car. Tesla's over-the-air software updates are a game-changer in the automotive industry. They represent a fundamental shift in how cars are designed, manufactured, and maintained. They allow Tesla to continuously improve its cars, deliver new features to its customers, and quickly address any issues that arise. This innovative approach to software updates is one of the key factors that sets Tesla apart from traditional automakers. They've effectively turned cars into rolling computers that get better with time, much like our phones. It's a testament to the power of software and its potential to revolutionize even the most established industries. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.